Hello, I'm Randal Neck, President of Rosenberger Network Solutions. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about something I believe will have as much impact on the future of our utility industry as the technologies we're deploying. And that's the people who will be responsible for putting those technologies to work, and why investing in their development through initiatives like the UTC Academy is essential to ensuring our industry is prepared for what's ahead. One of the things that has always defined the utility industry is stability, and for good reason. Our communities, our economies, and our daily lives depend on reliable, essential services. Quite simply, we don't have the option of getting it wrong. For decades, change came at a deliberate pace. That stability served our industry well, and it remains just as essential today. What's changed is the environment in which we must now maintain that stability. For example, the electric grid is becoming more intelligent, more connected, and more dependent on communications than ever before. Technologies like private LTE, 5G, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence are increasingly supporting strategic initiatives like grid modernization and distributed energy resources, driven in large part by continuously evolving market forces and regulatory pressures. These aren't simply new developments. They're changing how utilities plan, build, operate, and protect critical infrastructure. The challenge isn't just keeping up with technology. It's making sure our workforce can shoulder the responsibility it demands. Because no matter how advanced our technology becomes, its value will always come down to the people responsible for designing it, building it, operating it, securing it, and continuously improving it. And that's why I believe developing the utility workforce has become one of the most important investments our industry can make. We're also at a unique moment in our history. As many experienced professionals prepare for retirement, we're at risk of losing decades of irreplaceable knowledge learned through real projects, real challenges, and real-world experience. And at the same time, the next generation is being asked to learn and adapt faster than any generation before it. That's not a challenge any one utility or any one company can solve alone. It requires all of us to think differently about how knowledge is shared, how expertise is developed, and how we prepare people for the future. The methods and tools for learning and development have evolved, and we need to be willing to adapt and embrace those that are more effective in helping us achieve our objectives. No one else is going to do this for us. It's up to us. We've got to take the future into our own hands. That's what motivated Rosenberger to invest in the UTC Academy. We didn't see it as an opportunity to build another training program. We saw it as an opportunity to help strengthen the industry itself by supporting the people who will shape its future. If we can help shorten the learning curve for the next generation, preserve the knowledge of those who spent decades building this industry, and create more opportunities for professionals to continue growing throughout their careers, then we've accomplished something that extends well beyond any single technology or any single company. The utility industry has always met its biggest challenges through innovation, collaboration, and a long-term commitment to doing what's right. And I believe this moment calls for that same mindset. What we do today to invest in people will shape how effectively our industry can respond to whatever comes next, whether it's new technologies, new challenges, or opportunities we haven't yet imagined. That's the mission behind the UTC Academy, and it's one Rosenberger is proud to support.